Yo, what's up everyone, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So on today's video guys, we have a very important topic to talk about today. And today's video I'm going to explain to you how you can make 100,000 naira per month doing this particular side hustle. It's very simple, very straightforward, and you can do it, trust me. Okay, but before we get started, please I would like you to do one thing for me. Before I even dive into the video, there is a subscribe button here. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I publish a new video, you'll be notified. I mean, we are almost at 5k subscribers, isn't it? Okay, and I can't wait. I have a great offer for you all. Okay, once you hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm giving out a great offer. Just watch out for that offer. Okay, I know it will be very useful to everyone, every subscriber, my dear friends here on the channel watching this video. Okay, so having done that, let's get to the business of today. So the question is, how can you make 100,000 naira per month doing this particular side hustle? So the side hustle is exchange business. So let me explain what exchange business is. Exchange business is exchange of currencies. Okay, we have two currencies here. We are exchanging dollars, okay, against naira, or we are exchanging euros against naira, or we are exchanging pounds against naira. Okay, so this is simply exchange business. So this exchange business, what it entails is you exchanging one of these currencies, either exchanging naira to dollar, okay, or you're exchanging euro to naira, or you're exchanging pounds to naira, vice versa, any of these three things. Okay, and this is a side hustle business you can do to earn as much as 100,000 naira per month, and I'm going to show you exactly how that is possible. So I have this illustration where I put up on Fiverr, and it will help me better explain how this exchange business works and how you can also key into it and make some money for yourselves. So this is it. Okay, so this is how it works. You have three persons involved in this exchange business. Number one is a freelancer, a blogger. A freelancer can be anybody earning online, earning money online, okay, in dollars or in euros or in pounds, any of these three currencies I mentioned. Hold on, any of these three currencies. Let me just copy this so it helps us explain this better. Okay, so a freelancer is anybody earning in three of these currencies, in dollars, euros, or in pounds. Okay, so this is a freelancer. Maybe the person is working on Fiverr, the person is working on Upwork, the person is working off Fiverr but receive his or her payments in dollars. Okay, so this is the first contact person in this business. Then the second contact person is exchanger. You watching this, listening to my voice, you watching this video, you are the person, you are the exchanger, the middleman here. Okay, so your job is to exchange these two currencies between naira, euros, and pounds. Okay, this is your job, but I will explain how this works. Just keep calm, I'm coming. Then there is a third person involved in this business. There is what you call bureau de change, okay, which I just shortened this to BDC or Aboki. If you're a Nigerian, I know most of my subscribers are Nigerians. I know, like greater percentage of them are Nigerians. Some from US, some from UK. Okay, don't worry, this video might not be that useful to you. Okay, in my next video I'll put out general video where everyone can benefit, but this particular video is for my Nigerian subscribers. You all will understand what I'm trying to explain in this video. So when I talk about BDC, I mean bureau de change, people that exchange raw dollars to naira. Okay, when you give them dollars or you give them euros or you give them pounds, they will give you naira, the equivalent. Okay, so these are the three persons that are involved in this exchange business. So how this exchange business works is that this person that earns in dollars, probably someone working on Fiverr, okay, and that has a Pioneer account, okay, or a Stray or any of those dollar receiving platforms. Okay, so this person receives these payments And probably, let's just assume, not even assume, it happens every day. I once till last week I stopped selling. Okay, I decided to start this myself. I started to go direct, to jump this person and go over here. But I know a lot of freelancers that have the need to exchange their dollars into naira. Okay, so the need for an exchanger. So this person earns, let's assume that this person earns $100. Okay, and you're a Nigerian. I mean, if you go to the bank, they can't give you naira straight. No, they can't. So the only way to change it is to go through this person, or to go straight to this person, either of them. But trust me, 50% of freelancers go through this person, and this is where you take advantage of being an exchanger. So this is what you do. This person sells, let's say, $100 to you as an exchanger, okay, and sends it to your Payoneer account. I mean, I've been talking about Payoneer, I've been talking about DOM accounts all along, isn't it? Okay, so this is where it comes in handy. So this person sends you Payoneer $100. Let me go over to the next slide so you understand what I mean. Okay, so here is a freelancer. This person is selling, wants to exchange. Let me paste here. So this freelancer wants to exchange $100 into naira. Okay, so he finds an exchanger, okay, and sells it at the rate of 480 per dollar. Trust me, this is how much the current rate that some freelancers sell dollar right now. Payoneer rate, I mean it. Okay, so they sell it at 480 per dollar. Okay, so you come in here, you as an exchanger, although you can bargain this price to 470, you know, depending on this person, on this freelancer. Okay, so you decide to buy this $100 at the rate of 480 per dollar, which this person is selling, isn't it? Right. So this person transfers the money from his Payoneer account to your own Payoneer account as the exchanger, and you pay this person 48,000 naira, isn't it? This is the conversion rate. Now if you multiply $100 by 480, you get 48,000 naira, isn't it? Fine. So you spent 48,000 naira, isn't it? Okay, then you withdraw it into your DOM account as an exchanger. Let me explain. This is your role as an exchanger. You are going to have these things ready. You are going to have a verified Payoneer account, okay, and also a verified or a functional DOM account, domiciliary account. I talked about it 2 days ago. Okay, functional domiciliary, and then you are going to have contact person at the BDC. Okay, these are the change. So this is what you should have as an exchanger. I will not advise my subscribers, you watching this video right now, to go with owning Payoneer, PayPal. No, PayPal has a lot of issues. I mean, you as an exchanger going to receive a payment through PayPal, they have limitation issues. They have, you know, blocking accounts, limiting your account, and all of those things. So I won't advise any of someone that is starting exchange business to go to buy from freelancers that have their money in PayPal, even if you are doing even if you are going to be receiving the money as a middleman. No, I won't advise you. You're going to run into so many debts doing this. So stick to Payoneer. Payoneer is the most safest I've ever seen right now. Okay, so you as an exchanger, you should have a verified Payoneer account that can send, receive, and also that every button is enabled there, both sending out or even withdrawing. Okay, so a verified account, then a functional DOM account. I mean, the other day I talked about you know, how to create DOM accounts in Nigeria. This is the video. In case if you don't know, please go watch this video on my channel. Then some time ago I talked about how to open Payoneer account, how to create Payoneer account in 2020. Okay, this was last year. So go watch this video. This video is very, very self-explanatory. Okay, so for you to get this and this, if you don't know how to the DOM account and the Payoneer account, go watch these 2 videos. It will guide you. Okay, so back to this. So you have these 3 things I mentioned. Okay, so this freelancer sends it into your Payoneer. at 480. You already paid the person, isn't it? Then you withdraw this money from your Payoneer account to your DOM account. It gets deposited. Okay, so if you withdraw from your Payoneer to your DOM account, the dollar will be deposited. This $100 will be deposited into your account. When it's deposited, you can go to your bank, your DOM account. It can be GTB, it can be UBA, it can be Zenith. Okay, any of these banks where you have your functional DOM account, and withdraw raw dollars, raw $100, raw. Okay, raw $100. This is what you're going to withdraw. So when you withdraw it, you go to the BDC, that is Bureau de Change. Ask anywhere. Ask around. I mean, ask your friends. Go to the bank. Ask those bankers where they change dollars. They will tell you in every location. They have, those local Bureau de Change, aboki them that change dollars. Okay, so you go there. The last time I changed there was last week, and they gave me at 560 per dollar. I know by now it should be around 580. Trust me. Okay, so we are just assuming as of last week rates. You sell this particular dollar that you bought for 480 for 560. Okay, and this leads us to the next slide. So what is your total profit? So you bought this dollar at 480, isn't it? Which is 48,000, which you paid your exchangers. Then you sold this dollar. Okay, we said 58. Let's assume that you sold to this person 580, isn't it? Okay, so you multiply it by 58,000. That's what the BDC, the people we met at the BDC will give you, isn't it? 58,000. So you minus it with 48,000, which you bought it. Your profit here is 8,000, isn't it? Let's just factor in transport and co. Let's just say your profit here is 6,000. Okay, 6,000 from selling this. Okay, so that's just for a day. So imagine if you should have like each you have hundreds and hundreds of freelancers you buy from, and you get to earn 6,000 almost every day into 30 days. Okay, but in a month, I mean, do the maths now. It's more than 100,000, isn't it? Okay, so this is it. This is this business. You can do this. You can. It's very simple. It's just very simple, straightforward business. Although there are scammers that want to rip you off your money, so make sure you build your own reputation online, so that they always send you first. Like these freelancers, they send it to you before you pay them. Some of them want you to pay them, then before you you receive your money, they will just run away with your money. There are so many scammers. Okay, so please be careful. I mean, you should use your number 6 now. You get that kind of thing. So having explained this, your next challenge now will be, where do I get these freelancers? Where do I buy from? Like where do I get these people? Okay, so I have this Facebook group where friends of mine and also colleagues, freelancers in Nigeria, okay, that they sell their earnings here. They earn on Fiverr, Upwork, and so many of them. Okay, so this group is called Smart Money Empire. You have over 13,000 persons, all freelancers working on this group. Okay, so many of them you can put up a request here that you want to buy Payoneer and Co, and they will chat you up, and you do your own due diligence and buy from them. And not just that, there's another Telegram group that I will leave a link in the description. This Telegram group, there are also freelancers there, mostly on Fiverr. Okay, you can see you can get freelancers that are able to sell you their dollars, okay, in exchange for naira. There are so many of them. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this particular video. I think I've done justice by showing you this particular side also, and how to start your own exchange business. I mean, exchange business doesn't stop at Payoneer and Co. There are so many of them. People that want gift cards, you change cryptocurrencies and all of those things. There are so many of them, but I just focused on this particular one, which I know how it works exactly. Okay, so go try it out. Get to work, and get to make some cool cash yourself from this. So thank you very much for watching this video, for watching up to this moment. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I appreciate that a lot. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.